The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. You know, 2 videos right about now. I have to show you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I have 2 videos, you know, and you know, these 2 videos is like 2 different topics, you know, and I'm just going to show you each video and explain about them while I move along to make things move a little faster. You see it? Now, the first video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show off a police officer, and he's talking about the incident where a person that is known as Sean Reed had been shot and killed by the Indianapolis police. And some of the things that this person had said, some persons on social media agree with some of the things that this person had said, and some persons on social media did not agree with some of the things that this person had said, and some persons had other things to say, and so on. All right, now please bear in mind that this person is basically giving his opinions about the incident that had happened, and what he said in this video might not be accurate as to what had happened. You get what I'm saying to you? All right, now here I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Take a listen, look, and observe.
I'm sitting here in my patrol car, and I just got through watching a video of this young man, Sean Reed, that was shot 10 times by the Indianapolis Police Department, by officers from the Indianapolis Police Department. And I'm sitting up here wondering if it was obvious from the video that he was apparently running from the police. He was leading on a high-speed chase from the video that I saw. He was leading on a high-speed chase. Then he made the statement on live video saying, "I'm about to ditch this mother F, and I'm going to jump out, and I'm about to go. I'm about to leave this car right here. I'm about to ditch this car, and I'm about to leave this car right here." And it was apparent that he was Facebook Live. He jumps out of the car, and he's running. He's fleeing. He's fleeing. Why did any police officer feel that they had a need to shoot this kid 10 times? 10 times. Why 10 times? And apparently, there was a black officer there that stood up over the body and said, "This is going to be a closed casket." Why in the world would you see a need to shoot a fleeing suspect? He's not a threat. He's not facing you. He's not coming towards you. He's fleeing away from you. He's running away from you. No threat there whatsoever. Why would you have to shoot him 10 times? 10 times. Come on, guys. 10 times. Why would you feel the need to shoot him in the back at all? He's fleeing. If you too fat to catch him another day. But to take your gun out and shoot him down 10 times to shoot somebody down like a dog, that's overkill. If you see the need to do that, something wrong with you. You shouldn't even be in a uniform. You shouldn't even, come on, man, really? 10 times. We know that we know what our job requires. We know what we're dealing with when we're dealing with these young people. But to shoot them 10 times, from what I was seeing, the only thing I don't know if the car was stolen that he was running from because he did ditch the car. I don't know whether or not he had done anything prior to being in the car. I don't know. But he was Facebook Live. He wasn't a threat. From what I saw, unless he had already killed somebody. If he had already committed a violent crime, And I still really don't see a need for him to be shot in the back if he's fleeing. I just don't understand that one. I don't understand it. And for a black cop to stand up over another young black man and say, hey, it's going to be a closed casket. Like, hey, I agree with what y'all, I agree with everything just happened. I agree with him being shot 10 times. Man, it makes all us as law enforcement officers look bad. It makes parents, it makes people not trust the police. It just makes all of us look bad. And that's just my opinion. It's just an opinion, and I'm entitled to my opinion. That's my opinion. He should not have been shot down like a dog. He should not have been shot down like that. No way. No way.
All right, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You know, the video that shows of a police officer talking about the incident where it is said that the person that is known as Sean Reed had been shot and killed. Now, the first time I hear about this incident, you know, I'm wondering what could have caused something like this to what happened, you know. So I do some research about this incident, and I read some news reports out there, and I also listen to some news reports out there about this incident, and I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand as to what had been said about this whole incident. You see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that the authorities said that Reed had been shot and killed after he had been chased by the police, and it is said that a gun had been found next to the body of Reed. It is said that the authorities said that the gun had been fired, and it is said that they are investigating to find out if the gun had been fired by Reed and other things as well. When me hear this, viewers and subscribers, may I say, okay, it is very sad. You know, like, that's all I could really say, viewers and subscribers. It's just really, really, really sad. Yeah, but please bear in mind that there might be more details and informations out there about this whole incident. You know, I'm just explaining to you according to how me understand it. All right. Now the next video that I'm about to show you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, this video is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows of persons that had been pulled over by the police somewhere within the United States of America, and it is said that these persons were trying to make sure that they do not get hurt by the police or get arrested by the police. You see me? Yeah, so basically some persons on social media are saying that they were scared, and other things had been said as well. Now, someone said something in the background of the video, and it had me thinking, you see me? And what that person had said, it gives me the understanding that that person is talking about the power of the internet, you see me? And it might not be word for word as to how the person had said it, but it would seem as if the person had said, you see the power of the internet. You know, I don't want to repeat the bad word or the harsh language, but however, the person said something about the internet. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, I really want to point out that part in the video, because that part of the video, persons on social media are talking about that part of the video, are talking about what that person had said in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, here I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. All right, and before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
This is a cell phone. This is a cell phone. They thought they had one. Can y'all record this? Thank you. Can y'all record this? Can y'all record this? Record this! He a bitch, but them girls over there got us. They recording. Keep your hands up, Lyric. Keep your motherfucking hands up. Look at him trying to show off for the white cop.
Right, why you still got your hand on your gun?
Nah.
Yeah, nobody even kill you. Nobody even do nothing
We
stupid.
ain't about to do nothing. Why you got your hand on your gun?
We told us something years. We straight.
Lyric.
Ain't nobody gonna hurt y'all. Ain't nobody gonna harm y'all.
Lyric, turn back. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up, bro. He got his hand on his gun. Keep your motherfucking hands up. You already got his face on camera. I already got his face on the camera. It's good.
And Memphis
He's in the back.
And Memphis on y'all.
We on 30th and Kessler.
Keep your hands up.
We got pulled over because we was turning the parking lot and they pulled us over and came to the cars. We got six police officers.
Quit moving.
6 police officers behind us with guns on their arms. They all have guns. driver.
Lyric.
I'm not. They not.
Stop talking to them and just keep your hands up, bro. They're gonna.
I'm not talking to them. I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Don't say nothing else to me.
So y'all think
Just wait till they go. Keep your hands up.
y'all think some females will shoot
Keep
y'all
your
up?
hands up.
Y'all think a bunch of
Lyric,
females
keep your
will shoot
hands up,
y'all?
bro. Keep your hands up.
Y'all
bro.
see my whole head in my arms.
Keep your hands out the car like that. Keep your hands
Y'all
up.
think some females will
Y'all
shoot
tripping. They 6 deep behind us over a turning signal. Over a turning signal. Everybody got a gun in their fucking hand.
It was on.
They lying.
They
lying.
They lying.
They got a webcam. They know what's
It's
up.
just because the other police.
I'm legal with everything, y'all. Don't trip. Just keep your hands up. Don't even get disrespectful. Nothing. We got this shit.
And again,
Keep your hands up.
And again, shooting in my city.
Why do you have your hand on your gun, sir?
Yeah, why your hand on your gun?
Why your hand on your
my belt, not my gun.
Yeah,
Now it is. Now it's on your
I don't
belt.
see no police where I'm from holding no belt.
All we did was turn into this parking lot and 6 police officers pulled behind us for no reason. For no reason. For no reason.
You guys are good.
I know we
I know we good. I know we good. I know we good. Cause we don't lie.
All this over 30K a year. We ain't doing that. We ain't
Memphis.
I'm gonna go.
You see the power of the fucking internet? They only left us cause the fucking internet. Look how many police officers it is. Since they said we can get out, my hands, look how many police officers it is. It's like 7 police officers. Like 7 police officers. They are trying to kill us. They are trying to kill us. We don't understand. We need to get it together. They are trying to kill us. Look at how many police officers are behind us. Over a fucking turning signal. They was trying to kill us. Come on. This system is fucked up. This system is fucked up. This system is fucked up. We got pulled over a turning signal. They put up 7 cars. 7 fucking cars.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.